Welcome to Education Lifeline, as well as to our first video in the Algebra 1 Tips and Tricks series. I'm Trishita Paul, and today we will be going over the best way to remember the difference between coefficients and constants. Using the memory trick, we will identify the coefficients and constants in this example. But first, let's review what coefficients and constants are. A coefficient is a number that is being multiplied to a variable, while a constant is a number that remains fixed, or in other words, is a set value. To remember the difference between these terms, think of coefficients as co-workers. They work with the variables in the equation. On the other hand, constants are constantly alone. They are always separated by operations. In the example shown before, we can now see that 3 is a coefficient, while 5 and 20 are constants. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. If you would like a more detailed video on basic algebraic terminology, check the description below or the top right-hand corner of your screen. Thanks for watching.